today we're going to talk about one of the most innovative products from Korea. It's not K-pop, but it is what's going to make your life a lot easier and happier. 24/7, Korea has been making this product for the past 2 years, from the designing it as well as producing it all in Korea. This is 100% made in Korea product called the Tenz. What is Tenz, right? It is the stun gun that is innovative as well as fancy. I'm going to open this for the first time, so you're gonna join me opening it. Oh, thank you. Okay, it comes with a really cute bag. Let me see this. Oh, it's called the Tenz. Wait, this is the size of a stun gun? I would expect it to be a lot bigger. Interesting. Let me open this. Ah, okay. There's a little cap on the top. All you have to do is open this. It's very simple. It's not hard. When you're walking in the dark, there's not much time for you to act. So we are going to provide you 3 very, very, very easy steps. 1, 2, 3. Just remember, 3 easy steps. The first is unlocking the device. Because the device is very, not fragile, but very important, you would always have to put it on the lock button. After you initiate it, you unlock it, right? Very simple. The next step is decide which action you want to take. Is it the bright light, or is it the siren, or is it the actual stun gun? Decide your next step and then make it happen. So what I'm going to do today is to put it on the actual light. That's the second button. And then all you have to do is press the power button. That's it. And the next one is, actually, you might have to close your ears a little bit. It's gonna make a loud sound to scare off the bad people, not you. The very bottom button says light. So I'm going to make it happen by pressing it on button. Right? The final step, if you want to use this product for the use of $139 on Amazon that you have paid for, all you have to do is put it on the stun gun motion. Now, I don't think I should act it on myself, so we're gonna do it on this cap. Make sure that I don't hurt myself. No action. That's not true because I was pressing the button, but to showcase how it's going to affect on the people. Aha! Wait, that's really strange. I'm pressing the button, but if I hit the person with it, it makes the actual stun gun. 3 easy steps. So what was it? The first, unlocking it. Second, choosing which action you're going to take. The third is pressing the on button. After the use, cap it and store away in your purse. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a safe day.